And now, First Warn 5 weather.
A bit of warm and humid start to the day. Temperatures right now in the 70s, climbing up to the 80s already in some parts. But check out Doppler Network. It's showing some showers in Hidalgo County. It's very light stuff right now. On my way here again, I saw some showers from Edinburgh. So there is some stuff out there. It's just that the Doppler is just so far away. We're using the Corpus Christi radar right now because Brownsville radar is up for maintenance. So it will be out for next week or two. So visibilities right now are pretty low in the Upper Valley. Rio Grande City is about 5 miles. It's improving now in McAllen, 8 miles here, 10 miles in Harlingen, Brownsville, also in Raymondville. So we're also seeing some fog there in northern Mexico. The other thing is the air quality is at the moderate category once again, and we expect that the rest of this week, and that's because of the agricultural burning in Central America. Evening planner, we're looking at temperatures around 89 degrees at 7 p.m. And check that out. We're actually seeing some sun later on this evening. So partly cloudy conditions. It's going to be warm and humid again tonight. And we could see some more patchy, dense fog in some parts of the area after 11 p.m. So humidity forecast showing very humid conditions. But check that out. It drops just a little bit on Saturday. That's because a cold front actually sneaks into our area. Again, that's one model. So it's thinking that the cold front will arrive on Saturday. So mosquito activity will be on the increase the next few days. It's going to be high today and very high beginning Wednesday and Thursday. That's because environmental conditions are pretty good for mosquitoes right now. Lots of humidity and warm conditions, and even some moisture there left from some of the rains that we've seen the last couple of days. Future track is showing a low pressure system, a storm system actually, in the western parts of the United States today near California. That storm system will actually make its way into the valley later on this week. But check this out, another cold front north of us, enhancing storm activity just north of the valley near Corpus Christi and Houston by Thursday. So it looks like Thursday night we do have a slight chance of showers and even some thunderstorms, especially very early Friday morning. We could see some thunderstorms in the Rio Grande Valley. So by Friday, that cold front stalls out, but it's not until the Pacific cold front, the one on the western part of the United States, it actually makes it into the valley on Saturday. So we'll see a little bit more comfortable conditions for Saturday, but check out rain chances, 10% for Tuesday. It dries out again on Wednesday, and that rain chance increases Thursday night. Now, Thursday, most of the day will probably stay dry, but it looks like Thursday night is when we can see our best chance of rain. By Friday, a 30% chance of rain still early on in the afternoon and in the morning, but those rain chances actually drop off for the weekend. So it looks pretty good for Easter Sunday, and also pretty good to mow your lawn. You actually have a pretty good opportunity to do that either today or tomorrow. And, you know, since the mosquitoes are coming out already, you definitely want to keep your lawn pretty short there. But it looks like Friday and Thursday, those 2 days are fair and bad, and that's because of the rain chances. So here's a look at your Easter weekend forecast. Friday, there's that chance of rain I just mentioned. Temperatures slightly cooler, around 87 degrees. By Saturday, we're at 93 again. So it warms back up, but then another cold front comes in on Sunday. It's a weak cold front, and that'll drop temperatures slightly for Monday. So let's take a look at your coastal forecast. Winds out of the south-southeast at 15 knots. Seas 1 to 2 feet. So it's calming down in just a little bit there on the waters. Rain chance 10%. High temperature around 83 degrees at the coast. But for the rest of the valley, we're looking at a high temperature of around 92. So we're back to really hot conditions across the area. Lots of humidity. Winds pretty light today, so it's not going to be much relief for us with all that heat and humidity. Tonight, temperatures should drop into the lower 70s. Some patchy, dense fog is possible once again overnight tonight. Here's a look at your AccuWeather 7-day forecast. We're looking at warm and humid conditions today. Lots of clouds, but those clouds finally breaking up by this evening. Wednesday, we're looking at partly cloudy skies with temperatures in the lower 90s Wednesday and Thursday. Good Friday looks slightly cooler. That first cold front will approach our area, drop the temperatures a little bit, but then by Saturday, we see those temperatures rising back up to the lower 90s, and by Easter Sunday, looking pretty good. Pretty dry conditions out there, cooling down just slightly again for Monday. That's a complete look at your First Warn 5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast.